Welcome to Grammar Practice English Course Online 22. Today's grammar points. Phrasal verbs with to look. Let's learn some of the most common phrasal verbs with to look. What is a phrasal verb? Phrasal verbs are idiomatic phrases which consist of a verb and another element, either an adverb or a preposition. The combination of both create a new unit of meaning, called a phrasal verb. Example, to move out. The meaning is not easy to deduct. To move out, to leave one's place of residence. Phrasal verbs with look. To look after, to take care of. Would you mind looking after my cat this weekend? I'm looking after my nephews this afternoon. To look at, to watch. Look at that eagle. Why are they looking at me? To look away, to direct one's gaze in a different direction. I prefer to look away than to see this horror film. I looked away from my book when I heard him come in. To look back on, to remember, to reminisce. He likes to look back on his days as a pilot. Looking back on my days as a teacher, I feel fulfilled. To look for, to search for, to seek. The police are looking for 2 suspects. The fox was looking for food in the bins. To look forward to await with pleasure, to anticipate. I look forward to our picnic. I am looking forward to meeting them all. To look into, to investigate, to explore. I'll look into it and let you know. Looking into the case, I found some interesting new clues. To look out, to keep watch, to be observant. Look out for snakes, they are coming out of hibernation. Look out, there's a car coming. To look over, to review, to examine. I looked over your essay and I have some suggestions. I had a quick look over the newspaper while I was on the tube. To look through, to review, to read through. I only looked through the first 2 pages. I looked through many books before choosing this one for you. To look something up, to search in the dictionary. I'll have to look that word up. Look it up if you're not sure. To look down on, to disdain, to regard with contempt. She was always looking down on her peers. She looks down on her husband's cooking. To look up to someone, to admire. He has always looked up to his father. She has always looked up to her. Phrasal verbs are easier to learn with a synonym or a definition, as well as a translation and practice. That's it for today.